Hey fellows, welcome back to Ecom Ranks. In this video, I will guide you how are you able to connect your Goddady domain to your Shopify store. So the first thing we have to do is we have to purchase a domain. I have already purchased it, and so the next thing you have to do is you have to click on it, and then you have to click on this. You have to click on this link, and then you have to click on the my products. Once you will click on it, there will be an option for your purchase domain. So this is a complete list of my purchase domain. What I have to do is I have to copy this domain name. So once copied, you have to go back to your Shopify store, click on the settings, and then you have to click on the domains. From here you have to select an option like connect existing domain. If you want to buy a domain from Shopify, then this button will work, but now we have already purchased domain from Goddady. We just need to connect it with Shopify, so just click on this link, and then you have to paste the purchased domain over here, and then hit the next button. Once you will click the next button, it will ask for the option like you want to connect it manually through DNS settings or connect automatically. So the easy step is that you have to just click on this connect automatically. Once clicked on it, it will go back to the Goddady, and it will ask for from Goddady that whether you want to connect this domain and change your domain DNS records. So just click on this connect button. Once clicked on it, you have successfully enabled the services Shopify site from Shopify. So our domain has been connected. So this is an easy tutorial on how are you able to connect your domain with your Shopify store. Some of the things are showing that this will get fixed after some seconds and domain will get connected. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.